Good afternoon, everybody. Right now, down here with Spot, the brown one, and Curly, the pink one. We got them set up about a week ago, and I did not bury the hog panels. And I was thinking that I wasn't going to use any electric, but they're starting to root around, and they're pretty close to the fence, so we're going to take some precautions. And we went and picked up these stand, whatever they are, stand in little things for the electric fence, and we're gonna get these in real fast. Convenient enough that we're right next to the goat pen, so we're just gonna tie a wire off and come right over here to fix it up. But let's look at all this rooting that they're doing. I just threw a log as a temporary thing over here to prevent them from getting out, but as you can see, it's not perfect. So we're gonna put some wire down and make sure they stay away from the edge. We do not want them getting out. And then when the snow does fall, hopefully it'll be ingrained in them that the wire is gonna shock them. Even if the snow is insulating, hopefully that will work. All right, so we got it hooked up right up from over there. I was gonna do it up here, but then I would have to walk around to, you know, fill our feeder. It goes around behind the feeder and all the way around and stops there at the calf shelter. I don't think they'll go around it, but if they do, we'll have to run it around, move this out or whatever. And then again on this side, just comes over here, ends right at the calf shelter. One bumped its butt into it so far and worked pretty good, but let's see if we can get them out and see if they'll move around. Come on, guys. Come on. Go. There we go. They're trying to eat your animal crackers? Yeah. I think it works. They ain't playing around with no electric fence. Let's go see what's going on over here. What's wrong with you, Westlin? Did you feed him one? You're spilling your animal crackers.
Why don't you hold them?
I will hold them.
Dad,
all right, guys, that is it. Nothing crazy today. Just figured I'd update you. I thought it was supposed to be, it should be like pretty cold and the ground should freeze pretty soon. But apparently we're going with summer, 75 degrees in November. So the pigs are rooting super easy, and this should hopefully stop them. If you guys would, please consider dropping down below, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps our channel out.
Let me say hi. Anyway, this probably won't work because they keep eating the fence.